Take a ride in the 2024 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, tires front all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season, privacy glass. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.